My name itself is Anil Kumar Singh. I'm the supply chain leader for Valvoline India and leading that whole supply chain for India operations. If you'll see, as we have indicated into our presentations, that the whole supply chains is moving from transactional. Earlier it was on the transactions where you have to do the certain invoices and other things. So it is making more towards the collaborative natures, towards the demand and supply things, plus also to that whole the business integrity. So we can say that these are the things which is moving from more sort of a transactional to that whole collaborative and to that need to the business plan. So it is matched with the business plan. The futures, of course, there will be a pressure on the cost, always it will be. There will be a pressure on the working capital, and there will be pressure to increase the service level. And to manage all these three things for the supply chain, we have to better manage the whole gap between the supply and demand in a better way. The way we explain either that S&OP process or technology, and that's we have to align with the four pillars like technology, alignment, collaboratives, and then to have a control. See, if we see that whole the demand is getting, there is a lot of competitions into the demand side, and when the competition increases, there will be a big pressures will be there on the supply chain. So everybody will expect the supply chain performance to improve, and that's what all the supply chains techniques or technology has to improve to give a better results. Now when we are talking about better results, it should be service level, working capital, and the cost. As you said that there will be pressure and there is expectations that when the competition increases that the performance should be improved through the supply chain performance of the cost, working capital, and service level. Again, to managing that demand fluctuations and supply fluctuations. Another is that cost, and third one is service level. Managing the good collaborations with the help of technology and alignment and to the control mechanism, and a process is required. Important is the process. Either it is a supply chain council process or S&OP process where that demand creators and the supply service level should also be the part of that. So the good process will help us to mitigating these gaps and to having a better performance. I was not there yesterday, I was here today, so it was a good. Sure, we'll try.